guys, welcome back to another video. Remember to like the video and subscribe. I was feeling for fried dumpling and told my mom that, I was feeling for dumpling, and she went ahead and made it. So I just took a meat from the pot. We had curry chicken back left over. Looks nice. It was just the dumpling for me. Like, I just fell for it. Listen, and these are so good. My baby took a drumstick. We have some more fried chicken with jerk chicken, and then we have some jerk pork. Mom bought me a peanut cake. Peanut cake. Peanut cake. There's also a portfolio part to this, so I went ahead and had these printed for school. Just in case you're doing a picnic, I had apple pie, mini pies, and some oatmeal cookies with raisin, and then I had some cheesy bread, whatever, from Little Caesar Pizza. So yes, that's some of the stuff that I had. To reach the end of another video, if you haven't subscribed, remember to wish to comment. That's okay. I appreciate it.